Exclusive, to exclude or leave out. Basically speaking, to include is to consider, and to exclude is to keep out or ignore. In math, we have several ways of illustrating that a value is either included in our consideration or excluded from our consideration. If we are dealing with a number line, a solid dot means the value is included, and an open dot means the value is excluded. When graphing, a solid line means the values on the line are included, and a dashed line means the values on the line are not included. Inequalities use the greater than or less than symbols to show a value is excluded, and the greater than or equal to symbol and the less than or equal to symbol to show that the values in question are included. To exclude means to keep out or to ignore from consideration. Antonyms: include. Related words: solid dot, open dot, solid line, dashed line, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, greater than, less than.